The Kaizen Method. How to use a Japanese philosophy for continuous improvement. The world is an era of innovation and various industries are rising and improving rapidly. One of them is the business sector. Having businesses are not just about presenting your goods and services. You also need to consider using methodologies that can help you improve and become successful in the field of business. One of these methodologies is the Kaizen Method, which aims to improve. What is Kaizen Method? The Kaizen Method is a Japanese word that means continuous improvement. K stands for change, and Zen stands for good. It is an approach to continuous improvement. It can be applied to many fields, not just the business sector. The principle behind this method is that constant small change can lead to some major growth and improvement. History of the Kaizen Method. The Kaizen Method originated during World War II. When America joined the war, W. Edwards Deming, an American engineer and statistician, together with other Americans, converted car factories into factories that produced tanks used in the war. To achieve their goal, Deming and his group supervised their workers to find small and simple ways to improve their works with minimal and limited resources. Through this, they discovered that small changes can lead to big and innovative outcomes. The Kaizen Philosophy. Aside from being a method, Kaizen is also a philosophy. Kaizen philosophy is about making small changes that will help break your bad habits and make a positive routine in your daily activities. One example of this is when you spare a small amount of time to clean and erase your inbox. It is a simple step that can help improve your computer or email system for better performance. It would save the cost of data storage, makes you productive because it is easier to access the information you need, and improves your way of thinking because it will give you a sense of accomplishment. Another example of the Kaizen method is when you start doing exercise or working out 5 minutes a day, instead of achieving 5 times per week for 60 minutes. You will do stretching, sit-ups, push-ups or planking every day. When you do this, you will have a chance for improvement regularly. It will change you and your mindset, and you will try to engage in activities that will help you improve. So, when the time is up to improve and do forms of other exercise or extend the time of working out, you can change and add some things to your routine. By doing this, you are continuously growing and improving. That will result in a better outcome. Why implementing Kaizen method is better? When the implementation of the Kaizen method is successful, it can achieve 3 important needs of workers and employees. Connection. The workers will feel a connection to the company, to their co-workers, and to the work they are doing. Creation. The workers will have an opportunity to have creative solutions to their problems. Control. The workers will have awareness of the process and they will have a sense of ownership. Implementing the Kaizen method is a good way for employees to be engaged in their work, and they will develop a good mindset about growing continuously. Employees' engagement and success have a big impact on the company's success too. Therefore, the workers are all empowered through small changes. It will also affect the company in a better way. You can implement the Kaizen method through the 7-step cycle. Let employees be involved. You can start involving your employees by asking them for some help or suggesting about specific problems of the company. Usually, this is arranged as a specific group of workers that are tasked to gather and relay important information to a larger group of workers. Identify the problems. Using the feedback of the employees, gather potential problems and opportunities. Work for a solution. Seek creative solutions from your employees. Then select the best solution that was presented. Have a solution test. Implement the best solution that you selected, while everyone participates. Analyze the test results. You need to check if the solution works, check the progress and every detail for success. Standardize. If the results are good, use the solution presented to aid and help the company. Repeat. These 7 steps should be repeated. With new problems rising, you need to test for solutions and then implement them if the result can help the company. Conclusion. Kaizen methodologies are helpful not just for the business industry, but everything that we do. The principle of Kaizen is that we are improving continuously through the small steps that we make, whether the purpose is personal or professional. It is a method of innovation through small steps that can help you gain better results. Implementing the Kaizen method can also help employees to achieve success. The success of the employees and the company are connected. Therefore, if the employees succeed, so will the company. Going back to the meaning of Kaizen, K stands for change and Zen stands for good. If you put this together, it will become a good change or continuous improvement. Therefore, this method is ideal to be implemented and used for various parts of one's life, especially for business.